Whoa, having fun?
Assalamu alaikum guys.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all will be good, right?
Yes.
Or no? Right. So जी, hopefully आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे and you can see behind us. Yes, correct. This is what? Tell me.
Joyland.
Joyland. जी मोहम्मद साहब आए हैं Joyland में सैर करने के लिए आज. So let's go inside and explore the rides. Okay. Are you hungry or no?
No. First let's play.
Yes, let's play. Let's take some rides and then we will eat something. ठीक है जी, ये हम आए हैं आज कौन सी जगह? Do you know that?
Joyland.
Joyland, but where?
I don't know.
Fortress Stadium.
Okay.
It's a Fortress Stadium and we can see some dinos behind us over there. See that?
Yeah, that's for Joys of Science.
Joys of Science. And we have KFC where? Here behind us, and let's go inside and start the rides.
Yes.
Let's enjoy the rides. Come on. Show me your band.
This is the
Mohammed
band.
साहब का band लग गया है. We are just in now and he can go to all the rides except we are, right?
Yes.
Except we are. So from where do you want to start?
That one.
That one? Okay, let's go then there. चले जी, चलते हैं पहली ride की तरफ.
Good water.
Yeah, it's artificial rain, water. Yeah, to reduce the heat.
Yes.
गर्मी में फ्री मजे लें भाईजान. इधर आए और ठंडे ठंडे पानी के बल के ठंडा तो नहीं है पानी, ये गर्म हो गया पानी ये भी अब.
It's cold water.
Is it?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Which ride? This one?
Yeah. Let's quickly go before it gets
You
crowded.
you go. Right? ले जी, मोहम्मद पहुंच गया अपनी राइड पे. There he is. ले जी. Ride is gonna be start in few minutes. सिर्फ वेट कर रहे हैं और बच्चों का तो maybe they can start it, but not enough kids. So how was it?
Very good.
You wanna go again?
No, I wanna go on the right behind you.
Behind me? Which one? Behind me, behind
It's
me.
called Tagada.
What is called?
Tagada.
Tagada? What is that?
It's a spinning
mentioned
ride.
there. Okay, Tagada. Okay, yalla go. Go. Where is the way in? There. That side. That side. There. There he is. He's in already. It's gonna be start in few seconds. Enjoy the ride. It's gonna start now. Here we go. Whoa, it seems little dangerous for me. Oh, it seems little dangerous to me. Whoa, it is fast. Come, let me ask you, how was it? So, how was it? Dizzy? Yes. Okay, let's go to the next ride. Okay, go in this one. मैं तो ना बैठूं भाई अब बच्चे ही बैठते हैं, बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं. So, having fun?
Yes.
How was it? Too much fun?
Very fun.
You want to take rest or let's go to the next ride?
Next ride.
Okay, yellow. Which one? Choose the ride.
I want to go on that one.
Which one?
The dropper.
This one?
Let's go quickly because it's going to be full.
Let's go. Go. Go inside the queue. You have to stay in the queue.
Yes.
There's a long queue. But go. Okay, gee, next one is the cup. There we go. Whoa, having fun? Next one is horror house. लंबी लाइन है मेरे भाई इधर भी, लेकिन इतनी लंबी लाइन नहीं है। वीकेंड पे ज़्यादा लंबी लाइन होती है, आज एक्चुअली वर्किंग डे है तो चलेगा। Ready for the next ride? Excited? Energetic? Okay, yalla, then go inside. All right. I'll see you in a while. I'm gonna sit now. It's too hot. So, finally we are out from the Joyland. How was it?
Very good.
Very good. Had fun.
Very much.
You had a lot of fun, right? It was amazing. It's a nice place for the kids, by the way. Yep, to spend a whole day even. But it's too hot. But the good thing, the weather is really nice now.
And you know what happened? They put like a sprinkler of cold water, like sprinklers, and then the water goes on you, and then you feel fresh.
Yes, but the weather is good now. Okay, we had a sandstorm today. आंधी चली और ऐसी चली भाईजान के पूछिए मत, जबरदस्त वेदर हो गया है. So now you are hungry.
Yes, you know the light even went away.
Yes, but they have generator.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks God. So what you want now? Here, KFC, right?
Yes.
Okay, yalla, let's go inside. What you want in KFC? Twisters?
I'll see.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, yummy food is here. The spicy wings and your burger.
Yes.
How is it?
Very good. Very good.
Spicy? I can see some cheese and lettuce. Or iceberg. Yalla, enjoy your food. Alright guys, that's all for today from Fortress, Joyland, and we have just finished our KFC and now it's time to go back home, correct?
Yes.
So yalla, that's all for today guys, and take care of yourself and we'll see you in our next vlog. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, guys.